Turning 20 has been a pivotal point in my year. For so long I've been rushing to become an adult, but when the clock hit midnight, the first thing I felt really wasn't excitement at all. It was dread. Everything I'd been striving for suddenly felt real, and that reality was heavier than I expected. Now, a few months into being 20, I realized my dreams have far more barriers I could ever imagine. There have been so many moments where I just wanted to be a teen again, instead of a junior in college trying to figure out what to do next. Recently, though, I've noticed a pattern where every birthday I find myself caught between living in the past and anticipating the future. But for the first time, I feel different. I feel alive and fully present more than I ever have before. And this is a lesson I'm just going to have to remind myself to just live in the moment.
Okay, my actual reaction, but I'll make it silent. Scrumptious little biscuit we just had here. Cookie and ice cream. Say hello.
Wait, take this picture. Wait. This picture, come on, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Big fan?
Wait, you're not even subscribed, dickhead.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, is this a vlog? Am I in a vlog?
Oh my god. Wait, is this ice cream on top?
I think so, yeah. Hey vlog, so this is Sejong.
Are you ready to eat?
I am so ready.
Yeah.
It better be worth it. I need to raise Ashley's standards. If it's not raised, I'm leaving a bad review.
My younger self also had all of these goals planned out, and I haven't quite lived up to those expectations yet. And it's partly because I'm envious of my younger self who was naive to the true responsibilities of getting older, and also just so afraid of the possibilities of failure that I find myself paralyzed. But this is the time to experiment, to fail, and to actually slow down and take everything in. We can't wait until we're 50 to contemplate whether we actually did achieve anything.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Are we recording? Yes, we're recording. Okay, this is where we are louder. Fried rice cake and sausage. It's so good. What are your thoughts? Slurp sauce. What? Delicious. She's trying the pickled radish for the first time. It was radish. It's sweet. Delicious. Nom nom nom. Wow. What do we have here? We have a radish pastry. My hair's up on a ball. Okay. I don't know what it looks like, but oh, you look so sexy. You look sexier, Gladys. Fries without bouquet is insane. That's what I need. I know, we need someone. We need a man to do that for us. Oh, we look so good, guys. We just got caught. I don't even know what I got. Now this is our bowl. Wait, why do my pita chips look different from yours? These are pita bread. Oh, okay. It comes with it. They're supposed to give me one too. Oh, should I ask for it? Yeah. I'm scared. Can you ask it for me? I'm scared. Guys, this is my best friend. She'd be doing the hard work for me for those. Those look really good. Okay, this one is our sunset something. Sunset.
Kiss sunset? No.
Wow. Rate it.
Crunch is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay.
Overall, the flavor, 8.5 out of 10. Meat lovers.
Meat lovers. Okay.
Whoa. It's a lot of meat. That's all I have to say.
Oh man, that one was what?
I mean, it's good. Peculiar flavors mixed together.
Okay.
But it's still good.
So
I would
good.
say 7.5. Very cheesy, but the crunch is there.
The crunch.
The marinara is good.
Oh.
I give that. I give that low-key an 8. There's a lot of meat on it.
Wow.
Sausage has a lot of flavor.
Yeah. Oh, what do we rate the crust?
The crust is hidden. I give it an 8 as well.
Yum. What do we rate that one?
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Peculiar flavor.
Peculiar. That's our reaction. Silent review.